Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. The look I will be showing you today is a golden and red smoky eye look. You can easily wear this look for the upcoming Eid festival or for any party or wedding makeup. I will list down all the products that I will be using in this makeup tutorial in the description box below. You can check it out if you wish. I will start by moisturizing and priming the face. I will color correct all the redness and acne marks on her face with a green color corrector. Apply concealer on the eyelids as well as the under eye area, and then follow it up with foundation on the entire face and neck areas. Set all the cream products with a loose powder so that they do not crease and your makeup lasts for a longer duration. Now I will use the powder contour in the hollows of her cheek, on her jawline and on the nose. This will give a very sculpted look to the face. I want the focus to be on her eyes, so I will use a very pale peachy blush just to give a flush of colors to the cheek. I will use the color Henna from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette to create the outer V of the eye, and then also use it in the crease line. Use a blending brush to blend the eyeshadow so that there are no harsh lines. Now I will use the color Man Eater from the same palette again in the outer V and on the crease line, and then blend it. Now I will use this textured golden color called 24K from the same palette. I will apply it with my finger on the inner half of the eye. Then apply the color Angelic from the same palette in the outer 2/3 of the eye to give it a gradient effect. Finally, I will apply the black eyeshadow from the same palette simply in the outer V to give it a smoky look. For the eyes to look more dramatic and attractive, we will now apply false lashes. I will use this mascara to merge the real lashes with the false lashes and also give it a bit of volume. I will also apply a generous coat of mascara on the lower lashes because I would not be using any liner or kajal on the lower lash line. I will simply line the upper lash line and give it a cat wing. I will fill in the eyebrows and set them with a clear gel. I will apply this highlighter on all high points of the face, that is the highest point of the cheekbone, the bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow, a little on the chin and under the brows to highlight the brow bone. Apply a pale pinkish lip liner all over the lip. follow it up with a pinkish red lipstick. I will now pin her hair up for her and accessorize her with all her jewelry. And this is the finished look. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, comment below and let me know which other looks would you like me to create. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click on the bell button to get notifications of my future videos. Thank you.